Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Angela here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with a handbag unboxing. So if you'd like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay, please also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl. Now let's get into the video. So as you guys can see from the title, this is a focus, love. I don't know why I won't focus, but this is a Brandon Blackwood unboxing. So we're gonna unbox this together. If you guys know what I went through to get this bag, okay, me and FedEx, we having a tussle for this bag. Okay, so cute little packaging. The box is really good quality, really heavy. Okay, so you open it, it just has Brandon Blackwood, New York right here. Just like a card. It's cool. And here's the bag right here in the dust bag. This bag is small, you guys, okay? Let's just sit this. Okay, here's the dust bag. Has Brandon Blackwood. This is a tiny bag, y'all. This is so tiny, but it has his name all over the wrapping paper. Y'all ready? Oh my goodness, look. Look at it. It's like the raffia bag. Look at this. It's a little heavy, y'all. Wow, look at it. It has the little feet, it has 4 feet on the bottom. Look at this. Is this not the cutest? Look at that. It fits in the palm of my hand. Look at that. Well, it fits, y'all, in the palm of your hand. Look, okay. Oh my God. Let's take all of this off. Let me get some scissors. Hold on. All right, now that we got it's about cut off, okay? This is my first time seeing one of his bags in person, I do believe. So it is this raffia with the gold hardware. It's like a brushed gold. How do you open this? Okay, so you just pull this little latch up in the front to open it. Y'all, this is how far it opens. Y'all, this is how... If this is how far this opens, this is a no for the kid. It just has these 2 little silica packs, gel packs. Y'all, this is legit how far it opens. It's black on the inside. I'm sorry I can't show you guys more, but this is legit how wide it opens. Holy smokes. You want to talk about disappointed? It does come with a little strap. I'm not even going to unravel this because the strap is like this. leather color, this cream leather color. I'm disappointed. Because I can't get my hand in here. I mean, I can get my fingers in here. It is a small bag, but this doesn't work for me. Okay, so it does have like this little, you see it poking out right here, like this little screw-like detail. You have to line that up, and then you just latch back closed. I do know that it's a tiny bag. I did know that. I just wasn't expecting the space to be that small. I want to say this bag was like 300 and something. What do you guys think? Like, I mean, it's big enough to carry my accessories. I can put my key ring holder in here, my wallet, some hand wipes, and like a chapstick and stuff. It's big enough to carry all of that, but what do we think? I'm not wowed. I'm not wowed. For 300, I'm not. And I feel like something should have been on the handle up under here to hold it, because I feel like over time something is going to happen to this raffia. So it could have been the raffia on the top, but underneath it should have been like leather or something. You know what I'm saying? To help protect your hand. Because I just feel like I'm not happy. Maybe if this was bigger. Maybe if it was bigger. It's cute, but it's not giving me that wow factor. Like I said, this is my first time. I do believe this is my first time seeing one of these bags in person. And I got this online at Saks, because I didn't see this in the Saks here. So what do we think? I'm not happy. I'm on the fence. I mean, it's really cute. It really is, but what do we think? I might have to sit with this one. I might have to sit with this one for a few hours and see. And even to open it, it is a little hard to open it. It's so cute. I don't know what can be done to make me happy. I'm just not wowed. You know what I'm saying? I'm not wowed. But it's so cute though. What do we think, y'all? Help me out. Alright, you guys, so that pretty much concludes my unboxing of this really cute Brandon Blackwood raffia bag. I'm on the fence. I don't know what I'm going to do. Am I going to get my money back? I'm not 100% sure. Either way, okay? So, thank you guys so very much for watching. Leave your comments down below about this bag. I would love to hear your comments about this bag, okay? Thank you guys so very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl, okay? Be sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, okay? Everything is linked down below like always. I love you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.